Little child, be not afraid. The rain pounds harshly against the glass like an unwanted stranger. There is no danger, I am here tonight. Little child, be not afraid. The thunder explodes, a lightning flash illuminates your tear-stained face. I'm here tonight, and someday you'll know that nature is so. The same rain that draws you near me falls on rivers and land, on forests and sand, makes the beautiful world that you see in the morning. Afraid, but a gentle someone always came to dry all my tears, trade sweet sleep for fears, and to give a kiss goodnight. Well, now I'm grown, and these years have shown the rain's a part of how life goes. But it's dark and it's late, so I'll hold you and wait till your frightened eyes do close. And I hope that you know that nature is so. The same rain that draws you near me falls on rivers and land, on forests and sand, makes the beautiful world that you'll see in the morning. Everything's fine in the morning. The rain will be gone in the morning, but you'll still be here